Muhammad Abdul Khader, World Research Council of India, Mahbubnagar, Telangana State President. I was telling some of the correspondents to send Geological Survey of India, Nagol, Hyderabad, and NGRI scientist BVS Mohan, Chief Scientist Government of India. They will today mail sending. The mail is the HO 03348 closing ticket Tamil Nadu. The state always we are sending. Geological Survey of India Director for the ADG and HOD and Geological Survey of India Hyderabad IP number 02002 oblique 02003. Label Government of India from Department Bhattacharya to Department Bhattacharya Ravi Kumar @ 1981 Father BI 8688125138 to immediately submit sample of metotile rocks and mineral rocks and other purpose of the rocks before we will be intimated 2 weeks before all the officers. We will be sending correspondence. The response will become also Tamil Nadu also SR number and also Geological Survey of India number also coming. ADG Director Bhattacharya and Kumar sir Director and the VAT also submitted now because the third time will be final step. The government remembering the subject will be closer stages. All NGRA department with the attachment department of the Geological Survey of India in the Petrology department and the department of the Research department and the department of the Central Research Institute department NGRI Uppal and the Ministry Science department in Hyderabad Uppal area and Geological Survey of India and Tamil Nadu department GSI and with best records to my subject identifying and the samples taking necessary and the investigation of the area in Mahbubnagar Garlapad area. The samples will be available. Our research will be analysis will be suspected and scientifically identifies scientists will be waiting. So today or day after tomorrow, especially time tomorrow we will talk by media. They will say some words. We will exit the submit samples and analysis of all the chemistry and the physics purposes and the age of the rocks and the important minerals of the rocks identified to the state government and the government of India. We will soon identify the scientists of the teams of the departments of NGRI, GSI Director, GSI ADG and Tamil Nadu Government Director and the NGRI team, Chief Scientist Government of India with best records Muhammad Abdul Khader, World Record Council of India, Telangana President Muhammad Abdul Khader. Thank you.